My advice is we always must pilot with real work. So going back to part 5, when we looked at designing the system, we want to design for trust first. So the rollout for the playbook is when we pilot, we want to frame it internally. We want to reduce the workload, clarify ownership in advance. Who is responsible for what? We can use the 3 pillars to orchestrate alignment, to find the business owners, to find the operational managers, and also the technology managers that pick the stack. Once we've got this, we can start to build the workflow around these core pillars so that we have insight into how to design the system to achieve the business goals through an operational process that makes sense to the people that operate it in a technology landscape that doesn't leave debt or includes tools that the business already work with. Part 2 is we want to pilot with real work. The number of times that I see people test in test environments and the automation never gets adopted, it doesn't get adopted because it's not impactful. We might start something small, not big, but we still have to test in a real world environment. You only really see the impact that the AI and the automation is having if you actually see it reducing your volume of work in your day-to-day. My advice is we always must pilot with real work. It doesn't mean that we have to expose ourselves. Maybe we just take a small part, but that's where we start. We start with something small that's not going to have a detrimental impact, such as marketing or sales or finance where numbers matter. We must test first, but we must test in an environment that makes sense based in the contextual work that we do in our day-to-day. If not, we're just experimenting. We're not implementing.